This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
Whoa,
yeah,
okay.
buddy.
2000 Daewoo Laganza. Let's check that. Check out my Laganza. Oh boy, yes we will.
Yes. Yeah, we will oblige.
Tuningworld.com.
Okay, you know what? Okay.
Are you going to say something real controversial right now?
First of all, are those Sentra Spec V wheels?
No, they actually look like Mille Miglia wheels. They definitely look like, yep, I think they are.
Okay, yeah.
So this is what the Australians would call sex spec.
Yes. Yeah,
This is very like early to mid 2000s car show.
Now, I'm not going to lie. That rear bumper and wing combo, I don't hate it.
So it looks like a GS 300.
A little bit.
Yeah, it looks very GS 300, 400.
It is definitely, this is a very Euro spec car.
Yeah.
Very.
The front is a lot of chicken wire and some weird front lips.
Yeah, I'm not into that. I'm not into that.
What kind of person do you think drives this car? Well, I mean, this is from Prescott Valley, Arizona. Okay, never mind.
What?
Yeah, they should.
No, it's got Euro plates on it, and there are a bunch of like is that an RS 2000 or RS Mexico back there?
Yeah. Okay. No, that's Ford Capri, but yeah, this is definitely not in the U.S.
Yeah, definitely.
So this might be tuningworld.com's foray into the internet, but. This person definitely is not from the U.S. And I don't mean to bag on people not from the U.S., but there's a different culture.
Oh, big time. Yeah.
So like flashy stuff definitely goes better with other countries and it makes more sense. But here it's like kind of real tacky.
Definitely. I'm not sure exactly what kind of person owns this car, but there's definitely an Adidas tracksuit involved.
Yes, I think so.